You will log in with your username and password, and this will take you to the Jet Mobile web page where we'll be able to download the latest version of the app as soon as you log in. You'll receive a notice telling you that you can get the Jet Mobile app. You want the latest version. Click on the Get Latest Version. You want to install. And now you can click on the home screen button. Now click on the J for the Jet Mobile app. It's going to open on your iPhone device, and you're going to need to trust the developer, System Smith Inc. So hit cancel. Click on the settings wheel. You'll scroll down to General. Now we'll scroll down to the device management, and we're going to click on System Smith, and we want to trust System Smith. Click Trust. Now you can click the home screen button. We'll go back to our app, click on it, it should open up and be ready for you to sign in with your username and password. Now you have the latest version of our Jet Mobile app on your Apple device. Thank you.